Hello and welcome to the craft studio this morning. So today we are going to be making a more simple little Christmas card. So I've made, as a thank you to my customers, my lovely members of my Facebook page, I've created a free little craft along kit, and I want this to be for everybody. I want everyone to be able to use it with the kids, grandkids. I'd love to see so many different ways that this is being used, from gift wrapping, you make your tags with it, little decorations for the house, little play stickers for the table. You can use the backing papers to make rings for your napkins, for your Christmas setting. It is literally just print, cut, craft. There's nothing complicated. I've already done a series of cards using the kit that are a little bit more advanced for people that are used to card making and have quite a wealth in their stash. But if you are just starting out, please don't be intimidated. This is just a sheet that's printed. If you make a mess of it, just print another one off. No problem. But I really do hope you enjoy crafting with it. And as I say, I'm going to be doing lots of different videos using it, so stay tuned. So for new people to card making, this is a card blank. They come in packs, flat like that, and you get your envelopes underneath. And this is just a 6x6, and it's fancy because it's got a scalloped edge. You get square ones, different coloured ones. There's rectangle ones, all different shapes and sizes. This is just one that I pulled from the stash. And they're pre-scored. It's got a little score line on there, but I'm just going to give it a little bit of more of a press. This is the top from the sheet that I'm going to be using today, and I'm just going to cut it down. Now you could just use scissors for this and cut round, but for speed I am just going to use my little trimmer. You don't need any fancy tools for this. Easily cut down with a pair of scissors. It's a little bit quicker for you watching this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just offer that up to the card and see which way I like it round orientation wise. I think that's quite pretty, so that'll open up like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of mirror card. This is card that comes in packs. You can get all different colours. It's got a mirrored coating on it, so it's got a lovely shiny surface. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something that's called a matting layer, and it's literally just sitting on top of each other to create little frames and steps. So I'm just going to use a tape pen. You could use whatever you've got, Pritt stick, glue sticks, double-sided tape. The only thing I'll be a little bit careful of is if you were using wet glue, like a kiddie's glue, you want to be printing it onto a little bit thicker paper. If you use a wet glue, you'll just get little ripples in it. So any type of tape, double-sided tape, tape pens, you could even use glue dots, whatever you've got in your stash. If you're always wanting to use wet glue, then I would suggest using card. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this on top of the mirror card. And what I'm trying to achieve is just a little frame around the outside, just to give it a little bit of a fancy finish and just make it stand out on the card blank. So using my trimmer again, just for speed. Again, you could easily use your scissors for this. Use a pencil and a ruler so you've got a nice straight edge to follow along and you can cut away. If you don't want to use the mirror card, there is a lovely backing paper that comes in the kit, so you could easily use that behind it if you wanted to use that instead of buying some mirror card. You could easily pop that on and then sit that on top of it, and just the contrast in the blue will make the top a pop. So what I'm going to do is take my tape pen, pop some tape around the outside, and then I'm just going to set that on top. Give it a little press down, and then there's my little card made. See, super easy, super simple. If you have got card making stuff in your stash, you could easily add little gems, little pearls. If you've got any glitter, you could pop some glitter on, whether you've got a little glue pen with loose glitter or you've got stickles. Should we put some of this on? Stickles is really fun to use. I've got quite a selection in my stash, and it's something that I go to and use all the time. It's just a little glitter. It's a glue with glitter in it, so it's acid free and it's non-toxic. It's just for crafting with. Really simple to use. You just squeeze the bottle. So I've popped some snow on the trees, and then what I think I'll do is I'll pop a little bit on this ice here. Not being too precise, just little squiggles, just to add a little bit of sparkle. And then that's my little card done. So if you would like to see more videos using this free kit, I'll pop a link in the description and in the first comment of the video gallery, and you'll be able to find all the different videos relating to this kit. So I hope you'll download it and try it, and I'd love to see what you make with it. So pop over and join us on Facebook, share your pictures of everything you've made with this kit, or pop over, show us them on Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere else you fancy following us. So thank you so much for watching the video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.